Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I want to go over what I am watching for this week. Now the first thing I do is I go to investing.com/economic calendar because what I'm looking is, do you have any events, catalyst, or news this week? And mainly I watch out for Jerome Powell. He is the boogeyman. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you guys don't know who Jerome Powell is, I made a video on YouTube, so make sure to check that out. Now this week, so we had Labor Day, so a pretty short week, low volume, and usually Labor Days, last Labor Day it was horrible, but we do have jobless claims this week, so I'm watching that. But overall expecting low volume after the holidays. But another thing that I have been watching was crypto over the weekend. So crypto was flying over the weekend, and we're literally approaching all-time highs for crypto. So the first stock on my watch list is SQ, actually Square, SQ, and then the next one is PayPal. So I've already made a video on PayPal, so make sure to check that out, which is right over here. Let's actually refresh this. But then we have SQ. Now SQ first, we have, it's a major support, so it's sitting at a major support, and as you guys can see, it bounced off a lot off that support, and this is a very nice trend line. Now we're also having this symmetrical triangle, so again, symmetrical triangle is neutral, so we can break down and start like a correction downtrend, or if we break this to the upside, that is very bullish. So my plan for tomorrow is to enter calls when we break the support. So let's look at our chart. So I'm watching right around 270 area. When we break 270, I'm looking to scalp calls. My price target, I would set price targets right around this area, so these wicks we have right over here, if you are looking to scalp. So SQ on my watch. Next one is obviously PayPal. I've already made a video on here, looking to grab calls above this breakout, so calls above 290-ish. And then our price target would be to 96. But keep in mind, we have a short week, and then the next stock I'm watching is XPEV. I've already made a video on XPEV earlier, so where was it? Right over here, so make sure to watch that. But what we have is we have a very nice symmetrical triangle, just like XQ, but we have this very nice symmetrical triangle over here. We're sitting at support, and China is doing very well right now in the market. So I'm looking to SQ to bounce off the support and break this resistance right over here, and overall very cheap play. So let's look at Neo. Yeah, Neo filled its gap, and then Lee is still forming its triangle. The next on the watch is Tesla. So Tesla has this, again, ascending triangle. I've already made a video on Tesla, so you can check that out. But again, I don't alert Tesla on Discord unless if it's a scalp, because it is very expensive on the call side. So again, we're breaking out right over here. My price target is, if you're looking to swing, right around this area, so 700, like 75 over here. But one thing I'm going to say for this week is be very cautious, because again, we're very high. You can see QQQ is hitting that RSI level, which is means that it is overbought, and same with SPY. But overall, just be very cautious. September is usually a red month, so I would be very cautious. Right over here, I'm watching mainly PayPal. We have SQ, and basically very simple watch list for this week. And overall, Hope you guys enjoyed this video. For long terms, my watch list for long terms again, Amazon has been consolidating for a year. Okay, so I'm already in Amazon spreads, and I'm also in obviously Alibaba. Alibaba is going to be my favorite one, so right over here. And then EA with the Battlefield coming up is going to be another huge one for December. So if you guys haven't already got an EA, make sure to get in before the November and December run up for Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe. All I'm asking for is to hit the like button, subscribe button. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.